So the reason why you're not having any luck fixing your credit is because there's two things that you're missing out on. One is that you're not looking for inconsistency. So when you have an account reported on your credit that's a negative account, look for things that are inconsistent. TransUnion might be reporting your date open as one thing. Experian might be saying something different. That right there is inconsistent. Everything has to be 100% accurate on your credit profile. This is what's called factual disputing. You're disputing the facts of everything that's on your profile. So you can't open the same account in 2 different days. You can't open it January 1st and also January 3rd. So somebody's lying. Somebody needs to show me some proof when this account was open. If you can't verify that, you need to take it off my credit. And if you say it's verified, how did you verify it? Who did you verify with? What's your method of verification? Who did you talk to? How can I reach him? What time you talk to him? I want to know all of that stuff, because how can I verify that you actually know what you're talking about unless you prove it to me? Because the burden of proof is on them now, because they're saying that this account is accurate. So you need to prove to me that it's accurate. So look for inconsistency whenever you're looking at your credit report. And that's what you want to dispute. Dispute that inconsistency on your report. This is another reason why you're not getting good results when you're removing stuff from your credit. It's because you don't have a strategy. You're just sending letters and hoping that it works. You're getting stuff online. You get stuff from YouTube from like 10 years ago. These things do not work anymore. These methods do not work anymore. You have to stay up to date when it comes to credit repair. You need a specific strategy. I'll tell you a good strategy right now. One strategy is you can take the letters offline, but you need to really customize it. You can actually take it, write it in pen. You can write it in crayon, color, Marker-Lot, whatever. You can spill coffee on it, put stickers on it. You can do it however you want to do it, because what you want to do is trick the system into sending your report to an actual person. You don't want it to go to just a manual computer where it's just going to read it and say verified. What you want to do is get it in the hands of a real person, but then you want to send it to them. After 30 days, you want to send them another letter called a 30-day demand to comply, which just says, it's been 30 days. I demand that you give me an answer on the dispute that I sent in. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. And then once you do that, you also want to do a CFPB complaint, which will take me forever to explain, but you have to look this stuff up if you really want to be consistent and get good results with your credit repair. When they come back and they say it's verified, because a lot of times they will, what is your method of verification? That's another letter that you're going to send out to them. What is your method of verification? In layman's terms, how did you verify that this account is accurate? Who did you talk to? What time did you talk to them? What's their name, full name, first name and last name? What number can I reach them on? I want to be able to verify this too. So that's 3 different letters that you can use right there, which will be in the span of 30 to 60 days. That can possibly get you some really good results.